I'm going to get ready now and I'll take you through the entire vlog how my day is actually looking like, because I have so many things to do but I don't know कि मैं कौन सी चीज़ पहले करने वाली हूँ. I have to film a reel which is chopping board transformation converting into a home decor, and then I have to make this energy drink that I saw on Instagram. I'm trying it out for the first time and there is a lot more ahead of the day. So chalo, let's go. First let me get ready for the day because I just took shower and just applied my moisturizer and toner, but I still need to get ready to look okay for the day. Not like glamming up, but yeah, like a regular, like put together kind of situation. So yeah, let's put this so that you guys can hear me. I think ये पता है ये ऐसे ऐसे हो जाता है. I don't like that, but let's fix it like properly. I think, yeah, I think this is proper. Okay, my hands are free now. Okay, today I'm going to try Rare Beauty Ka blush. So I did not buy this. My sister gave it to me. I would never buy this expensive. Never say never, but yeah, I would generally not. But you don't know. Maybe in future, hopefully. I think these two dots are fine. You don't need much of it. I think इसमें बहुत सारा product है. ये बहुत दिन चलने वाला है. My face looked like a very sad face because I think I haven't slept properly. I've been working, creating a lot of content. This week was a little. This week is actually a little hectic for me, but ठीक है. Next week I don't think so. I have so much of work, but this week, yeah, I do, and I have to take care of a toddler as well. So yeah, mom's life. So I think this much is good enough. Like this much is good enough. And then Fay Beauty ka gloss that I'm going to use it. I love this gloss. I mean, I have talked about in a previous vlog as well. This is so good. You don't need to put lipstick. It moisturizes your lips and stays for longer and looks like a lipstick. Yeah, I think. And the last thing that I need is to do my eyebrow, and I think I've gotten Faces Canada ka eyebrow pencil, which also has the brush. Like if you can see, it also has a brush. Let me show you. Yeah, it also has a brush, so my work becomes easier. I don't really put too much. I just want to fill up the gaps. That's it. Nothing much is required because I don't want to be like बहुत ज़्यादा makeup करके. Again, I don't even like that. I used to love it a lot before, but I think over the time I have changed in terms of makeup, in terms of all of those things. Now I'm done with that. I need to accessorize a bit. So let me show you that as well. So I think I will grab one small ring and maybe this that I got it from Swasha India. I'll give you the link of this also. And yeah, nothing else is required. So let's wear quickly and then I should be ready for the day. My watch, this is a smart watch actually, and I've been loving this watch. I got it on Amazon. I'll give you the link of this product as well. And this is, I think I got it on 1300 or 1200, something like that. And this watch is super good. You can actually pick up the call, you can actually calculate your steps, you can do so much more. You can put alarm, you can like, you know, you can track your heartbeat rate. I'll show you, hold on. So you can actually calculate your activities, you can actually do alarm, you can heart rate, oxygen, stress level, sleep level, breathing, like moderation और एक मिनट में आप कितना breathe करते हो, weather, clock, everything, like so many things in this watch. And this is actually super nice. Like you can actually see there is, oh hold on, so there is so many things to it. Like if you see, like see the steps that I have been doing it, and then the heart rate and everything. So I love this watch. So I'm going to put this on the other hand. This one is actually good. Like I got it from Swasha India. Look at this. I'll give you the link. I love that brand. I think this is also for 500 600. उनकी mostly product under 700 rupees है, और mostly like 80% of their website is that, and the quality I've been using it, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी quality है यार. मतलब मैं तो बहुत सारी ज्वेलरी आई हैव बॉट फ्रॉम देम, लाइक लिटरली आई थिंक मैंने 5 या 6 उनसे ऑर्डर करी थी, और हर ऑर्डर पे 3 प्रोडक्ट्स होते थे. इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा है वो ब्रांड. जस्ट गो एंड चेक इट आउट. आई विल डेफिनेटली गिव यू द लिंक. तुम जाओ, गो चेक आउट द वेबसाइट and you're gonna absolutely love it. But I think I feel something more I need to put more. There is no space. There's no space in the sense like already everything is sorted. What is it that I feel? Yeah, glasses, so that I don't feel like I'm blind girl. But yeah, okay. I have ordered. Okay, so there is a little story behind me ordering the entire chashma from Lenskart. So what really happened? By mistake, I gave them the prescription where my lenses were ulta. जो लेफ्ट का राइट का लेफ्ट हो गया था. जब वो मेरे पास रिसीव होके आया, लाइक मैंने 8000 का बनाया था 2 चश्मा, and it was like sun plus glasses. Like you can convert it into sunglasses, you can actually convert it into a normal glasses also. So I got that. It was Hustler. I'll give you the link of that also in case you guys like it. And then after that I realized ki what the hell, I can't see clearly. There's something wrong with the power of the glasses. And then I send it to them, and I didn't have to go to store, I didn't have to do anything. Literally the service was too good. I just call up the store. There's a nearby store, so I just call them up and was like, see, this is the issue, and they literally solved it. But I did need, I had paid extra money for it. So 8K का मैंने पूरा लिया था, उसको पूरा चेंज कराने के लिए मुझे लिटरली 3600 रुपीज़ एक्स्ट्रा देना पड़ा था. सो आई एम लाइक क्या यार, इतना पैसे बर्बाद हो गए. आई फेल्ट दैट फॉर श्योर. And then I'm like, okay, fine, whatever, it's worth, because I need my glasses. I love my glasses, so I invested in them. I'm just waiting for that. But anyways, okay, now I can see clearly. मैं इतनी भी अंधी नहीं हूँ. मेरा पावर उतना ज़्यादा नहीं है. It's -1.25. That's it. So, oh, I need to show you what I'm actually wearing. मैं घूम क्या रही. Okay, so I'm wearing this top that I actually got it from the local shop here nearby. This is a kurta. No, I think no. Sorry. I think I got this from Amazon. Yes. I got this from Amazon. I'll give you the link in case you guys like the print and everything. So yeah, this is the kurta that I'm wearing, and this is the jeans that I'm wearing, and this is from the brand called Frickens. I have got them a lot of jeans from them. It has a pocket as well. So yeah, all set and all ready. Let's go for the day. Drink that I was talking about. तो मैंने यहाँ पे ये सब कुछ soak कर दिया है. I just need to blend everything and I'll show you the process as well. तो इसको मैंने इस जार में डाल दिया है, and then इसको I'll put some milk in this. I'll put cocoa powder, and I will also put थोड़ा coffee and then blend it. मैं इसमें ठंडा दूध मैंने इसमें मिला दिया है. थोड़ा बर्फ़ भी इसमें जम चुका है, दूध में ही बर्फ़ जम गया है. So yeah. So I got this cocoa powder from Amazon, and it is organic cocoa powder. So yeah. You don't need बहुत सारा cocoa powder. You just need 1 spoon and it should be good enough. Then we'll add coffee to it. वो भी बहुत कॉफ़ी नहीं चाहिए, थोड़ा सा कॉफ़ी should be enough. इज़ ऑल डन. इसमें ना स्वीटनर की ज़रूरत नहीं क्योंकि इसमें डेट्स डले हुए हैं ऑलरेडी, एज यू कैन सी. अब जिसको ब्लेंड करते हैं एंड देखते हैं कैसा उसका टेस्ट कैसा आता है. ओके, it started to come out. I just hope it blended everything. And yes, the drink. वो बहुत कुछ पिसा नहीं यार अच्छे से, बट उसको खा लिया जाएगा चम्मच से, बट ठीक है. Ooh, this is so nice. It's creamy, like a chocolatey coffee mix. Wow. But ये थोड़ा अच्छे से और blend होता ना, it would have given a very good taste though. Wow, this is good, like really good. Guys, try this out. I'll definitely give you the link. It's the easiest thing to make and the healthiest thing to drink. Like literally make this for yourself. Midday hunger and you want to lose weight. Too good. चलो अब शूट करने का सेटअप करते हैं, तो हम यहीं अटक जाएंगे. I really need to do a lot of prep for it. So I think I really love this. I think instead of coffee I can make this. If I was trying to quit coffee, but it was so hard for me to quit coffee because those are coffee lovers, you know, I don't need to explain, but I think this can replace, but it's the healthiest thing. I can literally talk about this during the entire vlog, like honestly, that good. So chalo, let's set up the space and then start shooting the video. Weather is very gloomy and I think it will rain heavily, but it's super beautiful weather yaar. Thandi hawa chal rahi hai and yeah, like such weather. The weather is very pleasant. It's been 2-3 days that the weather is like this and I'm loving it, like literally loving it, because I was so tired of the heat and I think I'm ready for the winter, but I have to get ready for the shoot also. These are my old chopping board and they have all gone bad and I was this thing very heartbroken कि मुझे ये फेंकनी पड़ेगी, but ये मुझे actually अब नहीं फेंकनी पड़ेगी because I need to do the makeover for them and I'll show you through the entire process. But look at the condition, कितना ज़्यादा ये सब खराब हो गया था. लेटिंग इट ड्राई. एक साइड मैंने पेंट करा, एक साइड बचा है. सो जब ये वाला ड्राई हो जाएगा देन आई विल टर्न इट एंड देन आई विल पुट द पेंट ऑन द अदर साइड एंड देन आई विल पुट सम डिज़ाइन ऑन द टॉप. सो ये पंखे के नीचे अभी ये सूखना चाहिए. एक साइड का हो चुका है, एक साइड का बचा हुआ है एंड देन लेटर ऑन आई विल एक्चुअली डिज़ाइन दिस एंड शुड लुक नाइस. तो चलो इसको कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं एटलीस्ट. तो एक्चुअली I got this from Amazon. So okay, so there is this 2 cameras that I'm actually filming and let me show you so that I can get an angle. So here, okay, so this is my Osmo that I'm shooting and this is the thing that I'm actually working on. Just look at this, like I need to do some artwork on this. So yeah, there is a 2 camera working together so that I can get a best angle out of that. So let me keep you guys here and then another camera is there. सो ये दोनों तरफ हो गया है, अब इसको थोड़ा ड्राई आउट में छोड़ेंगे एंड आई हैव टू कीप इट इन सेफर प्लेस. So I think इसकी बैटरी भी डेड हो रही है. But anyways, so this is my cute balcony that you going to absolutely no. I'm going to absolutely adore it every single morning and evening, depending upon the weather. If it's too hot, balcony is big no. But if it's a colder season, I think we are heading towards the colder weather. I think I'm gonna love it. So yeah, this is my cute balcony. In case you want the link of this table also, it is from also Amazon. As you guys know, I'm a Amazon crazy person. So I'll also give you the link of this table in case you need it. So yeah, now we'll head to the lunch.
ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, रेंट तक मैं भरती हूँ उसका.
अच्छा, आपके भाई के बारे में बात कर रही है.
देखो वो प्रेगनेंस है. उसका 7 साल का जो सपना है
हाँ.
वो पूरा कर दो अब, बस हो.
नहीं, ये तो हमारी हमेशा से कोशिश रही है. वो आपका भाई बिग बॉस की घर के अंदर जा.
बुला लो क्या उसको?
बुला लो.
पक्का.
हाँ.
शाबाश.